So because my mom often sleeps with her AirPods in and they have a tendency to fall out when she sleeps, she got these anti-slip ear hooks that way they'll hook on. So these apparently work with AirPods Pro 2 and AirPods Pro 1, which I have first generation and second generation AirPods Pro to test this with, as well as AirPods 3, which I do not have on me right now to be able to test, but yeah, so these right here are just a better fit and better comfort, titanium alloyed, made in China. These are white, so let's go ahead and let's get these open now. All right, now these should slide out like so. And just like that, boom, we have the actual package itself. So right here we have the lanyard. And then we have the two ear hooks themselves. So now I'll go ahead and test these out with the first generation AirPods Pro for starters. So they tell you which bud to put them, side to put them in. And the right one goes in like so. Yeah, these fit perfectly on the first generation AirPods Pro. I don't know how entirely this lanyard is supposed to come into play. We go ahead and take these AirPods out. Now I'll test it with the second generation AirPods Pro. It should work flawlessly. And of course they do work. So now I will go ahead and lie down and test these to see how well they work. So right here, I'm just lying down with my AirPods Pro 2 normally, and I'll go ahead and toss and turn. See how easily these things fall out. These do have a pretty standard snug fit, I will say, as I've not gotten these to fall out, but these AirPods don't always fit that well with people's ears, depending on how the ear tips work, so maybe different for you. Now testing it in with hooks. These actually feel like they're coming out a little bit easier than what they should, but again, this is not a long-term scientific test or anything like that. So, I always thank you all for viewing this video. I'm the iTunes family, and as always, peace out.